Good morning, students. In previous lecture already I have explained the format of formal letter of 10th class, and in today's lecture I will go for the type of formal letter. As already I have told you that according to the CBSE syllabus, student need to study only formal letters, and which include the letter of complaint, inquiry, placing order, letters to the editor in 100 and 120 words. Okay, so already we did letter to the editor and placing order in previous lecture. So today we will go with the letter of complaint and inquiry. This is the pics of the syllabus of 2021-2022, and here I want to bring your attention on third topic, subject verb concord, which video already I have posted. So today's lecture I will post PDF so that you can prepare the notes on your register. Okay, this is the letter, complaint letter, and the question is, you are Ram Meher of 32, Bedanpura, Karol Bagh, Delhi. Last week you bought a mobile. You bought a mobile phone from the Mobile Junctions 20L Nehru Place, New Delhi, and the mobile phone developed a problem within a few days of its purchase. So write a complaint letter to the dealer. Again, I want to bring your attention that you have to write a complaint letter. Okay, this is your complaint letter, okay, to the dealer. Giving details of the nature of problem and asking him or her to rectify the defects or replace the phone. Okay, so you can look here and you can see here the format of the letter, all the address, either receiver or date I have mentioned at the left hand side top corner. Then afterwards subject, salutation, and the content of the letter. Even complimentary closing also have been mentioned here at the left hand side. So be careful regarding of your format of the letter. Don't even try to change it, otherwise you will lose the marks in your exams or the test. Okay, this is your fourth letter, which is concerned with the inquiries. Okay, and inquiries letter is the format or of your syllabus, and the question is, you are A.R. Dalmia, in charge of the physical education department of your school. You need various items of sports for the department. So write a letter to Mr. Jagvir Singh and Son, a known supplier of sports goods, Jalandhar, inquiring him about the rates of each item and the maximum discount that they can offer to you. For that also, for the letter of inquiry also, you have to be very careful regarding of the format. You have to mention all the address and date as per the format of the CBSE, and then subject, and then afterwards salutation, then body contents. So I hope you are getting. I will post this PDF for you so that you can prepare the notes in your register. For further any doubt, you can contact me at my given timing. Okay, so thank you.